Welcome to this week's edition of Nordic Market News, the first week of the final month of the year. Brexit negotiations, Germany's still non-existing government, and the pending US tax reform have been some of the major themes of the week. All of them seem to be progressing forward, and the market seemed to react with a cautious optimism, seen by a small upward movement for the Nordic Large Cap Index, OMXN 40, for example. The EU Commission and the UK has reached an agreement, or at least made progress, according to the Commission Chairman Jean-Claude Juncker and UK Prime Minister Theresa May. Market interpretations seem rather upbeat, with major European stock indices up about 1% so far today. Let's start with taking a look at the most important Nordic indices as of 11 a.m. today. Positive players for the week are OMXS 30, up 1.6% week to date, with an overall plus 6.7% year to date. And OMXH 25 and the OMXN 40 are both up plus 0.5% for the week and up 5.8 and 6.5 respectively on the year. On the downside, OBX is minus 1.8% for the week, holding a positive 16.2 on the year to date. Finally, OMXC20 is down 0.3% for the week, but also holding at 13.3% for the year. In corporate news, Novo Nordisk's diabetes drug Ozempic has been approved by the US drug agency FDA. The stock, whose market value is the Nordic #1 with almost 640 billion Danish kroner, gained more than 3% upon the news. Bank of America, Merrill Lynch raised its Novo recommendation from neutral to buy, calling the approval expected but still a relief. The North American demand for heavy trucks seems to stay healthy, according to industry researcher ACT's November statistics. Net order intake for Class 8 trucks was 69% higher during that month compared to a year before, surpassing street expectations. Volvo's stock price outperformed OMXS 30 during the day of the release, but took a blow later on during the week following a downgrade from DNB. The Norwegian bank has its concerns, one being that electric trucks will pose a serious challenge to the truck maker. Swedish home improvement retailer Clas Ohlson reported disappointing results and an unexpected operating profit margin decrease for Q2, August to October, and continued sluggish sales for November. The stock plummeted a whopping 15% on the report on Wednesday and trajected down even further yesterday. Today, the company revealed they're buying 10% of online grocery store Mathem, but the price tag seems to have been considered too high by the market, sending down the Clas Ohlson share a little bit more. Finland celebrated 100 years of independence this week, and the Finns seem to be flying high. National flagship carrier Finnair released their November traffic statistics today, a traffic increase of 23% since last year. The share price is up more than 2% today and has increased almost 10% in December. Norway's Norwegian also reported a large traffic increase, but the stock price reacted somewhat subdued, maybe following lackluster yield development. Today, the Copenhagen airport reduced their airline fees by 10%, following intense pressure both politically and from the likes of SAS. The new fees will apply from April next year. The stock price of the airport operator Copenhagen's Lufthavn, listed in Copenhagen, was flat with almost no trading, whereas SAS gained around 2%. George Soros, the Hungarian-American business magnate, seems to have noticed the jitters of the Swedish house market. His fund, Soros Fund Management, shorted Bonava by 0.5%, which was spun off from one of Sweden's large construction companies, NCC, last summer. Bonava's stock price hardly reacted to this. That's it for today. Thanks for listening and have a great weekend. See you again next Friday.